Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can terminate a cPanel account reseller. So here we go. Based on supporthost.com, thank you for providing us this article. With a reseller hosting account, you have a WHM, the reseller panel that allow you to manage your customers' cPanel accounts. So here, how you can terminate cPanel account premises. Before proceeding, keep in mind that terminating a cPanel account involves permanent deletion of all user data from the server. Here, if you want to terminate, you can log in the reseller panel. From the left menu, click on Terminate Accounts. This is the picture. So you simply click Terminate Accounts from the Account Function section, as you see shown in this screenshot here. Then you will be in front of the list of all accounts. To find accounts you are looking for, you can use the search bar, this one, both in the username and domain fields. So here we go. For example, if instead you want to show only suspended accounts in this list, check the box next to show only suspended account. So you can check this button, check this box. Then here you can check the account status, active or suspend, from the account state column as shown in this screenshot. So to terminate cPanel account, you can just click this remove button. A red box will appear. There's a warning for us that deletion of the data is permanent and showing the information about the account, package in use, disk space use, and space limit. To proceed with the deletion, click on yes, remove this account. Then if you have decided to terminate a cPanel account, all you have to do is wait for the procedure to complete. At the end, you will see a success message like this one, telling you that the account has been permanently deleted. So you can simply click this box, check this box in order to terminate multiple cPanel. So here, how you can terminate a cPanel account. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. As well, thanks button below. See you in the next video.